Imagine this. Right now, above your head, there might be an eye looking down at Earth. Not human, not mechanical, but alive. The strangest part? Science already tells us this isn't just possible. It's almost certain. Stay here, because what I'm about to show you will erase every doubt you've ever had about aliens. We always picture aliens as green creatures in flying saucers, but the real question isn't what they look like. It's, can the universe even exist without them? Astronomers use something called the Drake equation, which basically asks, with billions of stars, how many planets should hold life? The numbers are staggering. Just in our galaxy, the Milky Way, there are up to 40 billion Earth-like planets. And that's one galaxy, while the universe holds at least 2 trillion galaxies. Pause for a second. Do you really think Earth is the only place with life? And if you're still here, listen closely, because in the next few moments I'll tell you about the one scientific discovery that makes alien life practically unavoidable. Don't blink. In 1995, we found the very first planet outside our solar system. Since then, we've found over 5,000 confirmed exoplanets. Many of them are in what's called the habitable zone, not too hot, not too cold, where liquid water can exist. And wherever there's water, life seems to follow. On Earth, life was found in the darkest ocean trenches, inside volcanic rock, even in radioactive wastelands. If life is that stubborn here, why wouldn't it rise elsewhere? Stay with me, because in just a few seconds you're going to hear about something that scientists themselves call the Great Filter, and it might be the most chilling reason why we haven't already shaken hands with aliens. Here's the twist. If the universe is bursting with planets, why don't we see alien civilizations everywhere? This mystery is called the Fermi paradox. The Great Filter is one possible answer. It suggests that intelligent life may rise often, but almost always destroys itself before reaching the stars, through war, climate collapse, or technology gone wrong. If that's true, then either aliens are out there, and they're already gone, or we might be one of the very first to survive past the filter. That thought alone changes how you see humanity. And if you've stayed this long, you're about to hear the final truth. Because whether or not you believe in UFO sightings, the raw math of the universe leaves us with only one real conclusion. Aliens exist. Not as a fantasy, not as science fiction, but as a mathematical certainty. With trillions of galaxies, each with billions of stars, each with countless planets, the odds of Earth being alone aren't just small, they're basically zero. The only unknown is when we'll finally meet them, or if they've already been watching. And here's the lesson. Thinking about aliens reminds us how small we are, but also how rare and precious life is. If civilizations can die out before reaching their potential, then our mission is clear. Don't waste time, don't destroy each other, and build something that lasts. If you want to keep your mind expanding beyond Earth, stay with me. Hit subscribe, not for me, but for yourself. Because every time you learn something new, you become harder to fool, harder to break, and stronger than the billions still asleep. Choose knowledge, choose survival. Peace out.